Yeah, I'm in the southwest. It's actually not even been that sunny today. It's the first time the sun's come out. How hot is it at where you are then? Oh, okay. I take it you work with a lot of dogs because you're called working dogs. Yeah. What is it you do for work then? Just working with dogs, or you just got your dogs in with you where you work? I love how the sun comes through the trees. It's beautiful. Buttercups. Anyone else fascinated with buttercups? I just love them. Especially like buttercup fields. Loads of them around here. Bluebells.